Harsha from HCL OneTest data. In this video, we're going to look at functions. So, using functions, we can perform the data manipulation. When I say data manipulation, we can transform the data generated for an item type from one form to another, and we can also derive the data for an item type. For example, if you have an item type called as a salary, and we have one more item type called as PF, we can derive the value for a PF item type based on the salary item type. And in order to specify this, we write an expression for an item. So we have to make sure that the expressions that we write are syntactically correct. If the expressions are incorrect, this results in a map compilation error. Now we'll see how we can make use of these functions in our OneTest data. As you can see, I have an employee info schema containing various properties. So if I want to write a function for any of these item types, I can just click on these three dots, and in front of each and every item there is a text box that got inserted. So as soon as I click on that text box, I see a function function text which is opened in the bottom. So when I click on this, I see a list of functions that are available in OneTest data. So as you can see, I see a conversion function where I can convert the data from one form to another. There are also date time functions where I can play with the date and time data type, where I can add days, add hours into a datetime item type. I also have a mathematical functions where I can get absolute or count, and I also have some mathematical operations as well, as you can see in the math label. So, and in front of each and every function there is an help as well, which gives you sufficient information about what that function does. In the next video, we are going to see how we can apply the functions to the various item types of this employee info schema.